tell you one thing for sure. When you see one cockroach, it is a guarantee that there are many more. Now that these failures are coming to the surface, how many more of these companies are hiding in the dark? Extend and pretend loans, inflated valuations, losses that haven't been disclosed or discovered. And I'll tell you one thing, investors know this too, which is why redemptions are accelerating. So what happens next? Well, it depends on how far and fast these redemptions spread. Now, option one is that it stays somewhat contained. The redemptions don't really take off. Of course, we're going to see tighter credit, less lending, real economy pain, which won't be good for anyone. We'll see more layoffs, more people will be hurt because of it. But option two, the redemption spread more quickly, meaning it spills over into absolutely regional banks. We could see more bank failures, banks being consolidated and absorbed. We could see assets that are untradeable that no one wants, markets freezing. And we all know what happens then. The Federal Reserve, the buyer and lender of last resort, will step in. They'll come up with a creative title for it. Liquidity support, stabilizing the system, but we all know what that means. More printing, more dollar creation, meaning a quick devaluation of your existing dollars and rapid inflation. This is going to impact your savings, your checking, your retirement. And worst case scenario, we could even see so much bank risk that it could lead to bank bail-ins, where banks are legally, yes, legal here in the United States, they are able to take your deposits to make themselves whole. And in that case, well, you could say goodbye to whatever wealth, whatever assets or plan you thought you had, because we've seen how bail-ins play out in other countries, and it never ends well for the savers. They always are left with basically nothing by the time the devaluation of the currency, the freezing and seizing of accounts are done.